Welcome everyone to the channel. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, or the full force of the empire will come to destroy you. Take the warning. Like, share, subscribe to the channel, y'all. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Now let's go. What's up, everybody? We back with another video. Just gonna talk about some of the upcoming stuff I got going on. Spring's almost here, weather about to break because it's winter here, y'all. Snow here in Berg. But yeah, I'm gonna talk about some of that stuff while I clean up the man cave. Spring cleaning for the man cave. I just now swept down the steps. Look at all that. Terrible. I also got to put up my bat cave sign that I got from Hobby Lobby. So yeah, I'm on the spring clean the man cave, and we just gonna talk, y'all. That's what we gonna do. You know what I'm saying? Getting that notification bell. I also got the, y'all can't see it, but the GoPro along with my ring light. That's the behind the scenes y'all normally don't see. Makes it a nice good video. But this right here is the phone, and I put it on the highest resolution. I'm like, man, why all my videos on my phone is crystal clear, but when I upload them, they fuzzy. The original copy don't be fuzzy, y'all. The uploaded version for some reason be fuzzy, but not the, it don't be that way when I record it. With all the stuff I gotta clean, y'all. Took me in that. So there's Kobe. I don't even know if I want to get into all that over there right now. I ain't got on my right shoes for that. Be moving this couch and stuff all out the way. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, we're going to update you a little bit on this, talk about the upcoming things I got going with my channels, because I got more than one YouTube channel, y'all. I got, most likely this right here will be on the KJ Bakes channel, but also got a car channel. So with this right here, I'm probably going to put on both channels. Also got my Cars with Kev channel, which the KJ Bakes channel is moving at a snail's pace, you know, but it's moving. It's the more successful channel. And then I got my Cars with Cav. This, I mean, I really ain't paid much attention to them just now recently, and maybe the past 2-3 weeks to start posting stuff on there and trying to get that right there going. And so it's you know, nobody really know about it. And the crowd that follows me as KJ Bakes isn't a car crowd, you know what I mean? Mainly women, mainly getting cakes, mainly stuff like that. Isn't the car crowd. So I'm trying to get into the car crowd, because that's what I really want to do, y'all. I really baking it what I want to do. I mean, I actually don't bake. That's just my little sad thing I do for myself at home. That's not really what I want to do. And even my channel, you know, I'm just determined that if not both of these channels take off, at least one of them gonna take off. Something's gonna happen. But what I really, really want to take off is the car channel. Of course, I'm a guy always been in the cars, always been in the custom cars, I should say. I'm just not a stock anything type of guy. I don't want nothing stock on my cars. But I've never really been able to do it. So I'm just not really trying to get into that. So we're going to talk about that a tad bit. I'm going to switch from this. I'm actually going to turn on the GoPro over here. So we can, so I'm on video and I can get start cleaning. All right, I never gonna do it yet. I'll do it in a second. Anyway, this right here was just the intro to what this video right here is about, y'all. So let's hop into this video. All right, y'all. So when I clean up the man cave, do a little bit of talking about what the upcoming stuff I'm going to be doing. Probably start with the car channel first, because that's what I'm more focused on. Because the cakes, you know, those come with daughters. You know what I mean? So the cake videos is coming. I just, you know, those are coming. I don't really have to work on those. I just got to work on the, you know, making those videos better, the interaction, the whole production really. Because making the YouTube channel is all about, you know, a good production, a good product, which I'm learning how to do. You know what I mean? So I'm still new. Don't really know how to do it, but I'm learning as I go, and as I'm finding out, just about all YouTubers find out as they go. They learn as they go. They all started pretty much like me, using their phone, no cameraman or nothing like that. And then, you know, they learn how to do stuff, learn how to produce, learn how to edit, all that type of stuff. Learn how to put a show together, actually. Pretty much putting on a TV show. So I'm still learning that process to make my channels better, make my videos better, to put out a better product. Hopefully to get a nice following and, you know, get my channels off the ground. Because right now I'm still trying to get my channels off the ground. And like I said before, the cake videos is the ones that's, of course, that's the following I got. KJ Bakes. So that's the audience that watch me now. But a lot of people don't subscribe. That's the thing. Most of the people that watch me ain't subscribers. You know what I mean? I get a couple thousand videos, watches total, but only 19% of my watchers are subscribers. I think it's 60% of the people that watch my videos ain't subscribed. And then there's an unknown percentage, whatever that means. Like I said, I'm still knowing. I have a readout that shows me all the activity that happens on my pages, and, you know, most of the people that do watch ain't even subscribers. My subscribers don't, you know, they barely watch. A very small percentage, 19%. So, you know what I'm saying? And then I'm still trying to get subscribers. You know what I mean? That's the long, hard part, which I know it takes, you know, a couple years for a lot of people. Some people, it take maybe 6 to 8 months. You know what I mean? But to get monetized, YouTube gives you a year. So I gotta, you know, I'm not on place to get monetized this year because my subscribers is so low. I gotta at least have 1,000 subscribers. Nowhere near that. it within a year's time, though, you know what I mean? And I'm nowhere near that 1,000 mark. And I think I gotta have like 240,000 watch minutes within a year. Nowhere near that. But I mean, I'm about to be 5 months in, so I got right around 6-7 months to, you know, something's going to have to drastically change for me to even get monetized. Because I mean, the goal right now is to get monetized. Can't do that without enough subscribers. Can't do that without enough watches. And you know what I mean? I got over 50 videos. You know what I mean? The cakes and stuff. I got over 150 videos. A lot of the people that got, you know, like over 100,000 subscribers might have like 80 videos. I'm like, man, I'm killing it with the videos because, you know, I could put out the content with the different cakes, but I need the subscribers. Ain't nobody subscribing. I don't know why. I mean, I'm advertising, I'm pushing. Like I said, the cakes is going. There, let me start playing. The cakes is going. That's most likely going to get, if I get monetized, the cakes will be getting there first. And I have a car channel. Like I say, most of the people that see this and do watch me, you know, KJ Babes. There's not the car audience. I'm trying to get into the car audience. Because that's what I actually really want to do. That's the channel that I actually really want to take off. Because that's what I'm really into. I stumbled into cakes. I wasn't trying to make cakes. I wasn't trying to get into making cakes or what. I stumbled into cakes. Because I like customizing stuff. I always like customizing stuff. So I make custom cakes too. I get into that for my kids. I started making custom cakes simply because I didn't want to. I had twins simply because I did not want to have to buy cakes all the time. And they got their own personalities, buy the different stuff. I could just make it. I said, I'm just going to make these. I'm not going to. So I started buying the little different character pants and stuff and start doing that. I know pretty much how I get into that. And my wife got me to sign up to Facebook. I didn't have Facebook for years. I never thought about the Facebook. But she got me to sign up to Facebook. Kids doing cakes. Somebody she worked with actually wanted one of my cakes. I mean, a lot of people have been asking for cakes for years. For years I said no. Then I finally said, you know, it was one of her friends. So I said, yeah, I'll make it was some cupcakes. 2 dozen Hello Kitty cupcakes. So I made those. I'm gonna look for the picture. I'll post a picture sometime during this video of my very first order I ever did, and it was Hello Kitty cupcakes. I'm pretty sure the store could have did a whole heck of a lot better job than what I did. But she gave me her business. Everybody liked the cupcakes. I actually got a standing ovation for the cupcakes because I actually took them to the party myself. And I posted them on Facebook. I was still new to Facebook at the time too. And then people on Facebook started wanting to order for their kids. So, you know, I was able to turn everybody down at the parties, but that was just for that couple hours, just that one day a year. I never got bothered about or asked about cupcakes or cakes or nothing like that ever again for the rest of the year. Just that one day a year at the kids' parties or something. And but once I posted to Facebook, a lot of people around the Pittsburgh area, you know, liked my work, started asking me, can they order off me, you know, for their kids' parties or whatever. So that's how I even got into that, because that just became, you know, I couldn't turn all that away, so I started doing that. And so that's pretty much still where I'm at, though. You know what I mean? I do have a bigger clientele now. You know, a lot of I'm pretty well known here in Pittsburgh now for doing cakes. You know what I mean? As far as the name go, you know what I mean? Not famous or nothing, but people know KJ Bakes. People know Kevin Jennings. People know I do cakes. Pretty much what I'm known for here. I want to do cars though. Cars is the passion. Custom cars. I've always been into custom cars. That's actually what I want to do and what I want to get into. And what my second channel, Cars with Kev, is. But the problem with that is I don't have the type of car that gets a following. You know what I mean? It's the muscle car area. It's the Dodge, Challenger, Charger, SRT, Durango. You know, muscle car type area. And that's just what it is, and I like those cars. The Durango is my dream SUV. The Charger is my dream car. I don't have either one of them. I gotta try to get something here. I mean, even though my car is in the Dodge family, as a journey, never meant to be anything on that level. Although I have customized the journey, and the journey is pretty much now not on any other level of any other journey. I pretty much promise that. The fact of the matter is, it's still a journey. It don't have a following. You know what I mean? People doesn't follow a custom journey. I got to get a car. They got to follow it. So that's what I'm gonna be trying to do. The SRT Durango preferably, but you know what I mean, I'm a janitor, y'all. A janitor getting a $70,000+ vehicle just ain't happening, which is why I don't have one. Hence, dream car. I'm a janitor. You know what I'm saying? Most people don't know I'm a janitor. Most people see me as, you know, they think I actually bake as a profession. I don't. That's just a little sad thing I do for myself. You know what I mean? I started doing that for my kids, like I said. But I want to get in a car customizing. So that's my dream. That would be my dream job, my dream cars, and start my own dream channel. Starting the channel's free, but then you got to work at it, build it up. I have the channel, don't have the cars, don't have the following, nothing like that. And then I'm in Pittsburgh. Pittsburgh does not have a custom car culture up here. It's just not up here. You know what I mean? So I'm in the wrong city, state, town. I'm in the wrong everything as far as what I want to do with custom cars. Custom car shows don't come here. I would literally have to travel to other cities down south, Midwest to go to them. I don't know anyone except for the YouTubers that I follow and watch. So I don't have anyone to network with. Another strike, you know what I mean? I don't have the car. I'm not in the car culture, custom car culture city. No one up here to network with, so that's what I want to do, but a lot of strikes against me there. But the plan is, you know, this summer, travel a little bit, just go to these other cities, when the car show's there, weekend, whatever, you know what I mean, go to these other car shows, meet some people, you know what I mean, get some good content, because of course I'm going there to vlog as well, and you know, get my car channel off the ground. And hopefully, you know what I mean, I can work my way into getting one of those SRT Durangos or Chargers, because I don't really want the Challenger. You know what I mean? With a Hellcat, you know what I mean, I would, of course, wouldn't mind having a Hellcat. Anything like that. SRT Durango, Charger, Challenger, or Charger Hellcat, or T-Charger. Don't even got to be the Hellcat, and I can work with that. So that's what I'm gonna plan is try to, you know, get to these other car shows, get some good content, meet some people that's doing it, that's down there, meet some of the other people that I see YouTube, and you know what I mean. Hopefully I could, you know, become cool with some of them, start to network with some of them, because of course, along their travels, Pittsburgh isn't on that route. There's nothing to come here for. You know what I mean? So it would be, it's a lot of work if you're in that type of town where you could do it and that type of content is accessible. It's a lot extra if you're not in that type of town and you actually got to travel to other towns to do it. You know what I mean? So, but that's what I want to do. So, you know what I mean? That's what I got to try to work towards. As far as the car channel, the cakes is pretty much taking care of herself. Like I said, that channel was steadily growing. You know what I mean? I started with no subscribers, of course. That's how you start. I got like 345 subscribers now, as far as the cake channel goes. Like I said, moving out of snow space, still moving. Car channel, 3 subscribers, and not really moving at all. Pretty much at a standstill. But like I said, I'm just now starting to pay that channel some attention. But still, I don't have a car that got a following. So snail's pace, barely moving there. And although I'm still doing things to the journey. So I'm still trying to, use what I got to get started and get my foot in the door. You know what I mean? That's pretty much all I can do right now. Use what I got. And like I said, my journey definitely isn't like any other journey. And I got more work coming to do to it this upcoming season. So it's even going to be even more authentic. You know what I mean? And I don't want to get rid of it. I've never had any problems with the journey, except for one time, because it's a flex fuel. Flex fuel isn't good for vehicles. So when it was new and we was using the flex fuel, that messed it up. Because then it was recommended, don't use that flex fuel. So I just stopped using the flex fuel. I never had no problems with it. So no, I actually don't want to get rid of it. It's never done me wrong, never let me down. And the only way I would get rid of it is if that was the only way I had any chance of getting into one of these vehicles. That's it. I wouldn't give it up for nothing else, because I love it actually. It's fun to drive. It looks nice. It looks mean coming down the street. It sounds good, and I'm about to even make it even better. You know what I mean? So, and that's another thing. It's illegal to do everything I want to do to the car up here. You know what I'm saying? I got a muffler delete on it, which is illegal up here. I won't pass inspection. Now I actually got to go get mufflers to pass inspection. So now I got to find some nice, good, mean sounding sport tune mufflers to go on there, so I don't have to go do this every year. And get my different lights and stuff on there, which is all illegal up here, and not allowed to have nothing but white light. You know what I mean? So, but hey, that's what builds the channel, and I'm in a complete wrong place for all it. But I'm gonna give it a go anyway. See what happens. See where it goes. And that's man. I ain't getting no cleaning done here, but man, that's what I want to do. Get some of these spots. Turn around here. Let me turn the light around here. There we go. Get this up here. But yeah, y'all. That's the plan for this upcoming season. To take care. Try to get my channels off the ground. Both of them. I mean, and it's hard doing by yourself too. I mean, it's real hard doing. I didn't realize that making a channel was this difficult, but it is. It's difficult. I mean, literally, you're putting together a TV show. You know what I mean? Directing. I mean, everything. It's pretty much, you are putting together a TV show. And a lot of the times, you need help to do a lot of the stuff. I can't get a lot of shots and stuff I'd like to get, because, I ain't got nobody holding the camera. I ain't got nobody to go out and get the nice moving car shots with me. You know what I mean? I can't. Somebody from a different car would have to be videoing me in my car. You know what I mean? I don't really have that. So it's hard. I mean, I got to find somebody to make me a nice little intro video. Stuff that I just thought I could just make something on my phone. And that, you know what I mean? I'll be good. I'm pretty sure that's how all the beginning YouTubers start. I'm still a beginning YouTuber. That's what I thought. So Rongo takes a little bit more than that. So yeah. I mean, I got the laptop I barely didn't use. Got to use the laptop. It's just a lot more involved than what I thought. Which ain't a problem. I'm willing to get the stuff. Get the right cameras. You know what I mean? You get some good quality videos that's not fuzzy when you upload it. Because your camera on your phone, even though it's nice and clear on your phone, don't stay that way when you upload it. And you know, I didn't even know is since it's pretty much that era, you know, YouTube been out for a while, there are actually vlogging cameras. So I got to look into getting one of those. Because that actually is a thing. And I don't have one. So yeah, that's pretty much what we're gonna be doing. I gotta get a vlogging camera, you know what I mean? Hopefully someone to help me make a video, intro video, outro video, someone that do beats, to make my own beat, because everything on YouTube, you can't use copyrighted anything. If you use copyrighted songs in your video, you won't get no money for that. That'll mess up your money if you get some money. And I mean, I'm not at a point where I'm getting money. You gotta get monetized. I'm not monetized. Like I said, I don't meet those requirements yet. And it takes a long time to get it. I'm trying to work towards it. So yeah, man. Get this man cave together, spring clean it, and watch me a nice little movie. Or somewhat spring clean it, because I'm not going to go that far. This. I haven't got my watch off my phone. Oh, what time is it even? Shoot, it's 11:30 at night. So I'm just trying to get some of these services wiped down, because I ain't been down here in a while. Watch me a nice little movie. I ain't had dinner yet, so probably give me something to eat, watch a movie, get things wiped down here. So yeah, man. That's the plan, y'all. Get these channels up and running. Try to get to the car culture places. You know what I mean? Try to get a car to customize. Man, was aching to customize a Charger Durango. SRT Durango. It has to be the SRT Durango. No other Durango will do. No. Has to be the SRT Durango or SRT Challenger. You know what I mean? Don't have to be a Hellcat, like I said, or I'll even take a RT, because you can still do a lot with the RT Challenger. So I'll even take that. Not Challenger, but Charger. I want the Charger, not Challenger. Not really a fan of the Challengers. So man, yeah, and it's hard to get one of those. No, those cars is a lot of money. I mean, I'm still, like I said, I'm a janitor. I got a mortgage. You know what I mean? My journey's paid off, but still a lot of house bills. The cake business is a pretty big overhead. You know what I mean? It's expensive to do it. You know what I mean? So that take money just to do that, because everything's custom. You know what I mean? I'm just not making regular cakes. I'm making custom cakes. Custom stuff is expensive. You know what I mean? You got to spend money to make money. So, you know, that's a pretty field with a high overhead. Custom cars is even a more of an overhead, because that stuff costs even more. And with the cakes, there's a little return. There's a little, so I'm still making something off of what I'm doing with those. Cars, you're just dumping money into it. I'm not making anything, you know what I mean? So I'm just spending money to try to get that off. Hopefully I can get channels off the ground, and then maybe I could, get monetized. You know what I mean? But other than that, they cost a lot of money, and then it costs a lot of money to keep doing it. Ain't nobody gonna watch your channel if you're not constantly customizing. You know what I mean? And giving content, because that has a big following. You know, that's why people is watching my cakes somewhat. It's all custom cakes. So it's just cakes, but nobody watch nobody just make a regular cake that wasn't going to turn into thing or be a different theme all the time you did it. You know what I mean? So when nobody watches, people like custom stuff, especially people if they don't really do it, or if they're interested in doing it and still don't do it. You know what I mean? They still watch this stuff because that's their interest. You know what I mean? I watch a lot of car shows, even though I'm customizing my car, and my car ain't really a channel, even though I got a channel. I still watch a lot of the stuff that I can't do, and I'm not even part of. You know what I mean? I still watch it. A lot of people do that. That is YouTube. YouTube is just entertainment, another channel. So, and once you decide to become a YouTuber, because I watched YouTube for years, and I wasn't a YouTuber. Now I'm a YouTuber, and the work that goes into putting in or making the show, and it's for a successful channel. It's just a lot of work, man. Like I said, a lot of the people that I watch, even before I was doing it, talked about, it's a grind. It's a constant grind. Now I see what they talking about. You know what I mean? And it literally is a constant grind. You gotta constantly make a episode. You know what I'm saying? No writers, no producers, no directors. It's all you. You got to come up with a whole show yourself and put together a whole show. You ain't got an editor. Some people might be big enough where they can get one or something, but for most people, and for the most part, is editing their stuff. You know what I mean? Or there's a group of them, of regular YouTubers that have been doing it for a long time and know how to do all the ins and outs and all that stuff and got good at it and then could do it. Once you find out what you need to make a successful channel, it's a lot better. The type of equipment you need for a successful channel, for good, crisp, clean videos, as far as the image and the sound and everything, Then once you pick up and you're able to get that stuff, that's a start. Then you got to make good content, which is a grind. You always got to be looking for content constantly. You know what I mean? To keep the channel going, and you don't want nobody to forget the channel and barely watch the channel. You want it to be something that they always want to see and see what the next step is and what the next process is and what's, you know what I mean? So until you get to the final product, and people want to watch you along the journey. And then once your car or cake or whatever it is done, you got to do another one. Find something else to do. You know what I mean? You got to come up with something else that they're going to follow and watch, which is hard to do. It's a grind, just like they said. So that's what I'm doing. Let me wipe down some of these figures over here. It's all dusty. Look at the pictures and stuff. Everything dusty. Things ain't been wiped down here in a long time, y'all. So yeah. So that's what I'm doing, y'all. Trying to get these channels off the ground. Trying to find good content. Trying to find in-between content for when there's not a cake. You know what I mean? And in between content. Well, I'm just trying to get all types of content for the car. And right now, I just have my car. I don't know anybody that let me do a vlog on their car. You know what I mean? I'm still looking for that. So anybody know anybody, they got a nice custom car or they want to customize it or got the SRT Durango or Charger or Hellcat or anything, you know what I mean, and wouldn't mind their car being on the channel, let me do a review and vlog on it. I would love that if they're up there in the Pittsburgh area. You know what I mean? Like I said, it's the Pittsburgh area. Nobody's up here. And so that's what I got to look for. People to network with, people who let me do a episode on their car, a vlog on their car, follow the stuff I'm doing on my car. You know, so that's extremely hard. It's a grind. The car YouTubers is definitely a grind. That's not a joke. It's a job. Unfortunately, when you start off with that job, it's a job that costs a lot of money with no return. I mean, you're not. I'm saying like, I'm not making anything. There is no nothing. I mean, it's just trying to make the channels. And even with my cakes, for the channel go, I'm not making anything. There's no return. I mean, I didn't meet the criteria of YouTube to be considered to get monetized. So it's a grind to get there. I got so many videos, and you know what I mean, the average watch time of my videos is 3 to 5 minutes. So people's like probably watching the beginning, you know what I mean, and then skipping to the end, pretty much a couple minutes in the beginning, a couple minutes at the end, see the finished product, boom, and that's it. And like I said, those people ain't even my subscribers. A very small percentage of my subscribers is actually watching. So I'm trying to get the content, my subscribers to watch. And I'm trying to get subscribers. You know what I mean? So subscribe to the video, y'all. It's free. Hit the notification bell, smash the subscribe button, man, and follow your boy, support your boy, so I can get my channel up on the ground and I can get everybody some good content out there. You know what I mean? So I'm trying to get to that level. I'm not on that level yet. I'm trying to get to it. And I have not done much cleaning. So anyway, I think I did enough talking. I'm gonna really actually try to get some of this stuff done. You know what I mean? So we can, so I can start my movie, family, sit and eat, cause I ain't eat yet all day. Wipe down these seats that ain't did nothing but collect dust for a couple months. It was in the winter time, y'all. It's too cold to be down here. I watch TV upstairs. It'll be too cold to be down here. This is why I got my hoodie and stuff on. But anyway, y'all, like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, y'all. So y'all can get notification each and every time I upload a video. Like I say, y'all, subscribe, and support your boy. And I will see y'all with the next video. One more little glance at the man cave. This is a wide angle, so I don't know how it's looking on here. Pretty sure. Showing everything. Yep. Boom. Thanks for watching. And may the force be with you always.